Welcome to this detailed factory tour. Today, we will see how cement is made inside a large factory. Cement is one of the most important materials in the world. It is used to build houses, roads, bridges, and big buildings. Let us go step by step and watch the complete cement manufacturing process. Cement starts from natural raw materials. The main materials are limestone, clay sand, iron ore. These materials are taken from big mines using heavy machines. Large dump trucks carry these rocks to the cement factory. Workers and machines unload the raw materials in a large storage area. This is the first step of cement manufacturing. The big rocks are too large to use, so they are sent into a huge crushing machine called a crusher. The crusher breaks the rocks into small pieces. Conveyor belts carry the crushed stones to the next process. Dust collectors keep the air clean inside the factory. Now the small crushed materials are mixed in the correct ratio. This process is very important. Machines measure limestone quantity, clay quantity, sand quantity, iron ore quantity. The mixture is blended properly to make a uniform raw mix. The raw mix is sent into a large grinding machine called the raw mill. Inside the raw mill, heavy steel balls grind the material into fine powder. This fine powder is called raw meal. The raw meal is stored in large silos. The raw meal goes to a tall tower called the preheater tower. Hot gases from the kiln pass through this tower. The raw meal gets heated before entering the kiln. This saves energy and makes the process efficient. This is the most important part. The raw meal enters a long rotating furnace called a rotary kiln. The temperature inside the kiln is about 1,450 degrees Celsius. At this high temperature, chemical reactions happen. The material turns into small hot balls called clinker. Red hot clinker comes out of the kiln. The hot clinker must be cooled quickly. Large cooling fans blow air over the clinker. The clinker becomes hard and ready for grinding. It is stored in a clinker storage area. Before grinding, a small amount of gypsum is added to the clinker. Gypsum controls the setting time of cement. This step is very important for cement quality. Clinker and gypsum go into another grinding mill. This mill turns them into very fine powder. This fine powder is the final cement. The cement is stored in large cement silos. Cement is packed into strong paper bags using automatic machines. Each bag usually weighs 50 kilograms. Bags move on conveyor belts for stitching and sealing. Packed cement bags are loaded into trucks. Some cement is also sent in bulk tankers. Trucks deliver cement to shops and construction sites. Samples of cement are tested in a lab. Engineers check strength setting time. Quality only high-quality cement is sent to market. The factory uses filters and dust collectors. Workers wear helmets, gloves, and masks. Safety is very important in cement factories. Now you have seen the complete cement manufacturing process. From rocks in mines to cement bags in trucks, cement plays a big role in building our world. Thank you for watching this factory tour.